Hi. Okay. I'm sharing this tool we are building essentially. So what we are building is a single window application for all knowledge needs for a typical employee in a pharma setting. So basically, what employees have, they have different type of knowledge needs for companies in pharma companies. For example, they have general knowledge needs in a sense that they can go to they want to find out things from PubMed, for example, right? That is one thing. Second, they have need which are from specialized data sets. Let's say I want to find out something from based on FDA's reviews of recently approved drugs, or internally we have subscription to various databases through library. I want to find out something from there, or internally we have databases about the different doctors with whom we work. What is their status, for example, right? What type of studies they are enrolling into. We have a lot of internal proprietary documents within the company. So I need to extract information from a specific study, for example. So the way we're visualizing this is like a typical chatbot, and here is the chatbot, for example, where you can do the conversations essentially, and basically what the idea here is that we will have a LLM which is fine-tuned for life sciences. Right, so it will be fine-tuned for life sciences using a lot of data sets will be curating. Also, there will be it will be like a multi-agent system. Apart from a fine-tuned LLM, there will be also possibility for it to retrieve the responses or information from internal documents. So there will be a RAG-based agent, for example. And also, it is important for a pharma industry to integrate these type of tools within the application. So we are developing this in a context of a CRM, which a lot of medical affairs team use. For example, if you see subsequently, so it is like a typical chatbot and dashboard here. And for example, these are different physicians. And what we will be doing, for example, for this physician, so all the internal sources will be combined in one places, like R&D studies, their basic details, what are investigator initiated studies, any public info for these people, any internal event like ad boards they're they're participating type of information. Also, I think this application will use record all the interactions which happen with the physician, which is regulatory requirement. And it will not only help, but it will act in a smart manner to create these reports. For example, it will create like a pre-visit report like this. So based on, okay, like what was the previous three interaction, what was the summary of it, based on intelligently thinking about what company is doing, what that physician is doing, it may provide some recommendation about future topic. It will summarize their public information, put it there. Also, it will look at what were the pre-visit actions. Like for example, somebody has assigned them to go and review the latest data. So it will not only suggest the action, but it will provide the solution. Right now, this is not a detailed enough, but essentially it will summarize the data they're supposed to talk. And after they come back, they can talk to the agent and it will create a post-visit report for themselves. And also we'll build in some agents to review it for compliance and those things. And all the data sources will be there, and they should be able to kind of interact with a specific file, for example. So if we do it learn more, it essentially goes with RAG model essentially. So these functionalities, all of this is not built yet, and these are primarily databases essentially, different databases which will be internally pulled into the application.